This tree is called the Panera Hat Palm. I'll be up there soon, birds. These are the medicines from the Amazon. Hear that screamer? That's what he's known as. Here's the tricolor poison dart frog. He's running now. See that? He's running in there. Next stop. Here's the map of everything. Or down here stands some roads, Ed Sanders, Victoria, etc. And of course the piranha fish. Pop. You gotta be careful, piranhas don't care what's in their way. There. Up here stands the King Maya palm. Whoa! What's that guy you're talking about?
Look right there, it's that golden tan thing right there.
The golden tan? The golden what?
Sloth right there.
Yeah, I saw him fly by.
Sloth.
The sloth. I hear the screamer now. And I think he's getting our attention.
Yep.
He's definitely going to be, and I'm going to work the way to him. Because he's kind of one of the best ways I do it. And you see how I'm doing all these plants too? You wanted them too, you know.
I'm going to take a video of him going off, sorry.
I'm going to start here, work my way up.
This is going wrong. Hi.
See how I do it? You always want to start on the ground, work your way up. And that's what's going to happen. I'll be up there soon, big eye. Now I've got to handle here real quickly. Here's some other tropical stuff. And on this end, I'm going to... Alright, and on this side stands the disappearing forest homes. If they disappear, one problem is that can impact our environment, it looks like. Oh yeah, Masters of Disguise and Deception. Aha, I see somebody doing that now. He's coming this way. He's definitely coming this way. It's that lizard running. Go on, little guy. There you go. Yep, he actually did do that. What? It's a forest smell. Forest? Forest smell? Next comes here. The second one forest floors when all these leaves. Oh, that would be great. That's what they mean by degradation. Up next to land. Here's the cacao leaves. Is this being degraded? Ah. Next up is the smooth-sided toad. He's in here somewhere, isn't he? He's here.
Little teeny tiny things there, but I don't know if that's not them, I don't think.
Well, I don't.
Somebody's singing like crazy.
He's in there somewhere. That bird? The bird screaming is the screamer. That's his name. You got the screamer up there. The one that's making the real loud yell. And I'm going to turn to him here in a minute. But first, let's see what we got on this side. Here we go. Here's this kind of leaving. It's real pointed. Up there is called the Amperium. Yes. That's. Yep, Paradise Tanger and Scarlet High Tips. Down there somewhere is there's a turtle.